STI Steam Industry, world's #1 specialist for steam cleaning machines. The powerful STI machines can be applied in a multifunctional way for both companies and households. Steaming and vacuuming in one, the most effective and environmentally friendly way to clean. When is clean really clean? When the machines achieve the customer's goal. Dry steaming is a cleaning technique using as little moisture as possible. We can easily steam clean for 2 hours in a small space, without humidity becoming a problem. The advantage of steam compared to mopping or vacuuming is that we don't spread out the dirt, but suck it up right away. So it gets loosened and sucked up. A mop just spreads the dirt around and causes it to end up in the wrong places. We do 70 to 80% of cleaning using just steam. For the remaining 20 to 30%, we need cleaning products. And we've had a cleaning product developed for that. The higher the temperature at which it's used, the better it cleans. Whether it's used on soft padding or the outside of a car, it doesn't matter. Whether it's offices, bakeries, veterinary practices or pet shops, car dealerships, hotels, swimming pools, saunas. Whatever the industry, we can clean it. Our added value is the speed with which we can answer customer questions, as well as the machine's versatility and quality. There's not one Chinese screw in there, not one. This is simply the best cleaning machine there is.